equals to 2949. So the number equals to this. So now we'll see what is a predecessor. Predecessor means the number just before the given number. See, for example, I write a number 2, 4, 6, 5. I need to find the predecessor of this number. It's very easy. Just minus 1 gives the predecessor of this number. So minus 1 equals to 2464. So it is very easy to remember how successor and predecessor. I have a trick. See, success means succeed. I go one step ahead. So when you go one step ahead, just plus 1. And for pre is here. So it comes previous. Previous means before. So it will come less 1. Now we will see comparison of large numbers. It is very easy to compare large numbers. We have to follow the rules. There are 3 rules. First, check the number of digits in them. See, I write 2 numbers 2, 9, 4, 1 and another number 2, 9, 4, 7. I write these 2 numbers. First, check the digits in their numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits here. So 5. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So there are 4 numbers and here 5. In this, which is larger? 5 or 4? 5 is larger than 4. So just put one symbol. So when we have find the number of digits are different, it is very easy for us to compare. Now I am having one more example. If the number of digits are same, what will you do? There's a trick. See, 2, 4, 9, 4, 1 and another number is 2, 9, 4, 7, 1. Two numbers are given here. We have to find which is larger. Always start from the highest digit. So 2, 2. Both are same. So tick them. Next, see the next digits. This is 4 and 9. 9 is bigger than 4. So when 9 is bigger than 4, you have already decided this one is the largest number. So this is largest number and this is largest number and this is the smallest number. So it is easy for us to find when you always start from your left hand side. See, I have started from my left hand side. So 2, 2, 9, 4. So 9 is larger than 4. So 9 is the 9. Because of 9, this number becomes the largest number. See, for example, if this is also 4 and this is 9, the digits are same. See, 2, 4, 9. In this 2, 2, 4, 9. And the next number, this is 4 and 7 here. So which is greatest? 7 is absolutely greatest. So this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Now we have learned how to compare larger numbers. Now we will see ascending and descending order. It is very easy. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. There's an easy trick for you to remember this. D for, you can remember the dino. Then dino to ant. Is ant bigger than dino? No, dino is bigger than ant. So remember that big to small. dino to ant. And for this, you can remember ant to dino. So, from ant to dino, it is increasing. So, ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. So, dino to ant to dino. So, arranging ascending order is very easy. Just if they have given many numbers 2, 9, 3, 6 and have told to find the ascending order, it is very easy. First smallest number is 1. So I write 1 here. Next is 2. Then 3. After 3, is there 4? No. The next is 9 smaller than 6? No. 6 is smaller than 9. So 6 comes next and 9. When you arrange this in descending order, 9 comes first because 9 is the dinosaur here. Then 6. Then comes the 3, 2 and 1. Here 1 is ant and this is dino. And here the 1 is all ant and here this is the dino. So it is very easy to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order.